Which air filter is actually good for your 6 Powerstroke? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Motorcraft FA1884 Air Filter. First up is the Motorcraft FA1884 Air Filter. This one caught my attention because of its impressive rating of 4.8 stars from over 2,000 reviews, and at just $21.52, it's a solid investment for your truck. If you want reliable filtration that can withstand tough conditions, this is worth a serious look. It's made from polyurethane, meaning it can handle oil and moisture without breaking down. Plus, it's designed for easy installation, so you won't need to wrestle with it for hours. With over 800 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a favorite among truck owners. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Good airflow directly translates to better engine performance and efficiency, which is what you want to maintain your Powerstroke's power. Now, some people complain that it may not fit all models perfectly. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard 6 Powerstroke, this should work just fine. Just double check your model before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality air filter that won't let you down. Skip this one if you need something very specialized for a modified engine. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if the fit issues of the Motorcraft FA1884 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WIX Racing Filters Air Filter Panel. Next up is the WIX Racing Filters Air Filter Panel. At $19.95 and boasting a rating of 4.7 stars from 742 reviews, it's another strong contender. If you're looking for a vehicle-specific fit that can really boost your engine's airflow, this one deserves your attention. The unique construction helps trap dirt and debris while allowing your engine to breathe better. This means better fuel efficiency and improved performance, something every 6 Powerstroke driver wants. Its dimensions are tailored just right, making it easy to slot in without hassle. With over 200 sold in the last month, clearly, others are seeing the benefits too. However, a few users mentioned that it might be a bit tricky to install for newcomers. Now I get that it can be frustrating if you're not a DIYer. But honestly, if you follow the instructions, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a filter that fits your specific model and boosts performance. Skip this one if you prefer a more universal fit. For the price, it offers solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for top-notch reliability. Product number 3, Motorcraft Air Filter FA1784. Coming in at number 3 is another Motorcraft option, the FA1784 Air Filter. Priced at $20.83 and also rated 4.8 stars from 1,000 reviews, it reinforces why Motorcraft is a trusted name in air filtration. If you want a dependable filter that's straightforward to install, this is worth your consideration. It's leak-proof and durable against oil and moisture, making it ideal for those who push their trucks to the limits. The install process is user-friendly, which is crucial for anyone looking to save some time. Plus, with around 100 units sold recently, it's clear that users appreciate its reliability. The downside, some users reported that it could get clogged faster when pushed hard. Here's the thing though, if you're using your truck mainly for daily driving, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, just keep an eye on it during heavy use. This is perfect for you if you prioritize easy installation and reliability. Skip this if you need something that can handle extreme conditions without maintenance. For the price, it's still a great option. Now, if you're looking for a filter that offers even more durability, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Motorcraft FA1754 Air Filter. The fourth product on our list is the Motorcraft FA1754 Air Filter. At $25.51 and with a 4.8-star rating from 908 reviews, it stands out as a premium choice. If you're willing to invest a little more for enhanced filtration, this one might be your best bet. It's built with leak-proof technology, so you can trust it won't let any contaminants slip through. With its easy installation, you can swap it out quickly, and it's ideal for those who need a reliable air filter for heavy-duty use. It's been purchased by over 50 users in the past month, which shows it's gaining traction among Powerstroke enthusiasts. Some users noted that it's slightly pricier compared to others. But honestly, if you're serious about maintaining your engine's performance, the extra cost can easily be justified. This is perfect for you if you want a premium filter that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. For what you get, it's a worthwhile investment. Now, if you're really looking for the creme de la creme in air filters, the final product on my list might be just what you need. Product number 5, Motorcraft FA1750 Air Filter. Rounding out our list is the Motorcraft FA1750 Air Filter. At $33.98 with a 4.8-star rating from 561 reviews, it's the most expensive option, but for good reason. If you want the best filtration and durability, stick around to see if this fits your needs. It boasts a leak-proof design and can withstand both oil and moisture, meaning it's built to last through the rigors of heavy use. The dimensions are perfect for a snug installation, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your vehicle. Even with fewer sales recently, this is often recommended by mechanics for its reliability. However, some reviews pointed out that it can be overkill for light-duty users. But here's the thing, if you plan on pushing your truck hard, this is the filter you want protecting your engine. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier filtration and durability. Skip this if you only drive casually. For those who need the best, this is worth the extra spend. To wrap it up, we've seen some solid options today. The affordable Motorcraft FA1884, the vehicle-specific WIX filter, the reliable Motorcraft FA1784, the premium Motorcraft FA1754, and the high-end FA1750. Each has its strengths, so consider your specific needs and budget when selecting the best air filter for your 6 Powerstroke.